On to some good news for Tata Consultancy Services. It today launched its cloud computing product for small and medium enterprises. The company is looking at a target of $1 billion in revenues over 5 years. Tata Group Chairman Ratan Tata says the product will be a game changer, not just for the company but also for the country.
I hope that this will usher in a new era in the tremendous growth and tremendous contribution that the SMEs will make in this country. You are, in fact, just as much the lifeline of the Indian industry. I would imagine you are the greatest multiplier effect that large corporations have, and I think it's a great day that you have been recognized and solutions have been designed around you rather than have you adapt to solutions. The system will grow with you, the system will modify itself with you, will renew itself with you, and you will be always at the edge of the technological growth.
Alright, that was Ratan Tata there on the $1 billion opportunity for Tata Consultancy Services. Joining us now is TCS's Managing Director and CEO N. Chandrasekhar. Chanda, many thanks for joining us on India Business Hour. You know, this is a $1 billion opportunity, as you've pointed out, for Tata Consultancy Services. But let me talk about the macro picture. We understand that small and medium businesses in the country are currently spending about $12 billion on IT, and that's expected to grow to about $24 billion. But, you know, it is coming off a low base, so in the initial years probably the growth is going to look larger, but servicing SME clients in proportion to the revenues that you actually get is going to be difficult, and you will need to generate significant volume. So what gives you the optimism and the confidence of being able to do that $1 billion in 5 years?
See, the solution is not only about revenues. First of all, this is a new paradigm. When we are able to offer an end-to-end solution for small and medium businesses totally based on cloud, and the market is not only in India, it's a global market, and the interest is there everywhere. The most important thing is to be able to showcase the impact of a cloud-based end-to-end offering, and with the large base in India, if we are able to demonstrate that, I think we can scale significantly, not only in India and outside. And $1 billion is just a goal that we have, and the potential is there globally for larger opportunity.
Okay, you're saying that you're looking at the global opportunity as well. If you can give us a sense of how it will be split up between the domestic market as well as the global market, what are you targeting?
See, our initial focus is in India, and today we have 100 customers. We are looking to scale up to 1,000 customers in the next 12 to 18 months. Then after that we will take a look at whether we go global or concentrate in India to scale up more, or which markets in which we enter, etc. All those details are to be worked out. India itself presents a $1 billion opportunity. I was not suggesting that the $1 billion have to come from outside. India itself definitely presents a $1 billion opportunity, but there are opportunities outside as well.
Can you give us a sense of the kind of margins that you're likely to enjoy for this business, Chandra, because you are going after the small and medium space?
Shirin, the power of the solution is that it is a cloud-based solution. It is a single instance solution which is standardized and offered to all the SMB customers. So it is not a customized solution. In that sense, it's replicable. So the margins per se will be at least at the TCS average margins when we gain material size.
One of the concerns, Chandra, and I'm reading from some of the analyst reports that have been put out post this development, and they say that the monthly rate of 5,500 rupees that you've got may not sustain as competition heats up. Can you give us a sense of the pricing as well as the competitive pressure that you envisage?
Honestly, I don't know where anyone got the monthly subscription number. We have done work with 100 customers, and we have multiple pricing models. We will be refining the pricing model as we go along. It is not a standardized pricing because the pricing varies based on the solution set and for the industry that we serve. There are multiple industries we are serving, so I don't think that anything definitive we have given on the pricing side for people to comment.
Okay, because a lot of analysts seem to be talking about that 5,500 rupees for manufacturing figure, Chandra. So you're saying that that's not correct?
Yeah, because that's probably they have heard from the market somewhere one instance based on which they must be assessing. I've really not read the report today. I know the reports have come out this morning. I have not read all of them, but basically the pricing will depend on the solution set and the industry we serve. So it will vary. All I can say is that it is it's a subscription model, pay-per-use model, and also it is very attractive from the point of view of no capex. Actually, the value proposition is no capex investments. They get a cutting-edge technology solution that is always evolving. They don't have to worry about which technology in which they are running their operation and how new technologies are coming in, how they upgrade, etc.
Right.
All those worries are not there. So that is the primary value proposition, and definitely they get a competitive price, but that is not the primary value proposition.
Oh, okay, Chandra, I'm going to go by more of the analyst comments that have actually come in, and some of the apprehensions that are being expressed is on the delivery channel, the service and sales partners that TCS will need to link up. Can you address some of those apprehensions?
See, we have a strong set of channel partners. We have got about 80 plus channel partners, and they have all been trained. As I said, the solution is cloud-based, so it's a question of configuring it and getting it live immediately. So any customer gets the solution up and running very quickly. There is no installation, there is no software license, there is no day-to-day support that is required for running the application. So from a delivery point of view, from the usage point of view, there is no need for any apprehensions. So the faster we can roll out for customers, the better we can scale. So that is going to be the primary challenge and primary focus for us. It is not whether it will be usable or whether it is whether it requires more time to install. Those kind of issues are not real issues. The issues are only the pace of rollout, how fast the customers can adopt the solution.
Right, Chandra, my final question to you, you spoke about the billion-dollar opportunity from the Indian market, and you said that you will look at the global opportunity as well, but that's currently not your focus. Is that because the competitive landscape is already fiercely intense in the global markets as far as cloud computing is concerned?
No, that's not the reason, Shirin. Actually, the solution that we are offering is an end-to-end application stack. No one is offering the same solution. Most of the cloud paradigms offer either point solutions or focused on infrastructure. So what we offer is an end-to-end IT requirement for a small and medium business. So it is not the competition that bothers us. It's a new paradigm. It is a new solution and a new customer segment for us. So we want to launch it in India and scale here before we launch elsewhere.
Alright, so an Indian solution for the Indian SME space. Chandra, many thanks for joining us, and we wish you the very best of luck with this latest development for TCS.
Thank you, Shirin, for having me on the show.
Thanks very much.